In spite of the safety features built into modern cars, there are still thousands of accidents that occur every day all around the world, and unfortunately some of them cause bodily injury and in the worst cases death. This can result in very expensive settlements and long-running court battles. One way to mitigate the economical damage is by having the proper car insurance. The kind of car insurance available differs from country to country. Some countries make it mandatory to have a basic car insurance to cover damage costs both bodily and to property. In some cases the maximum amount of money payable is fixed by law, while in other countries the car owner can choose from certain levels of insurance that pay out different sums of money. The risk here is if someone chooses a low limit and is then involved in an accident which involves a much higher monetary compensation. To meet the rising costs, some individuals have had to liquidate many of their assets almost to the point of bankruptcy. The answer is to take out an insurance which comes into play if the costs reach a certain level. When it comes to insuring a car, there are a few factors to take into consideration. If the car is fairly new and is in good condition, then it might be wise to get a car insurance that covers most of the things that can happen, like fire, theft or collision damage, etc. Such insurances also cover the cost of towing and in some cases extra costs incurred because of the accident, like having to rent a car or putting up at a hotel. On the other hand, if the car is tested and deemed safe to use but has a less than attractive appearance, then at least a basic insurance should be bought so as to protect against bodily injury and damage to the other vehicle or to property. To drive an uninsured car is to invite a host of problems which could literally end in the driver spending time in jail. Most insurance companies do not pay out the entire amount in the event of a claim. A small percentage is paid for by the owner of the vehicle and the rest is covered by the insurance company. The percentage that is a sort of self-risk on the part of the car owner can be varied. A higher percentage means a larger premium for the insurance, and a low percentage means the opposite, that is a lower cost for the insurance. If you are a careful driver and are aware of the risks involved and try to avoid them, such as not driving in a heavy storm or other adverse weather conditions, then choose a low percentage self-risk. Many insurance companies also offer more attractive levels of insurance with reasonable premiums if you, the driver, take certain extra precautions to safeguard your vehicle. This involves installing anti-theft devices and electronic tracking equipment, which greatly facilitates the recovery of the vehicle in the event of a theft. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto